Welcome to Ben Design.
CSS Course. CSS Introduction. What is CSS? Part 1. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. Why use CSS? CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, and variations in display for different devices and screen sizes. CSS solved a big problem. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page, like H1 this is a heading /H1. P this is a paragraph /P. When tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites, where fonts and color information were added to every single page, became a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium, BMD, created CSS. CSS removed the style formatting from the HTML page. If you don't know what HTML is, we suggest that you watch our HTML course videos. CSS saves a lot of work. The style definitions are normally saved in external .css files. With an external style sheet file, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.